Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical expressions. X is square root 6 plus square root 4 plus square root 3 plus square root 2 over root 6 minus root 4 plus root 3 minus root. Then we have to evaluate or find this expression. So let's get started by writing this expression equal to E first. Now we will write X as root 6. We can write root 3 times root 2. This is root 6. Root 4. We can write root 2 times root 2. Then we have root 3. Then we have the square root 2 over root 6. Again we will write root 3 times root 2 minus root 2 times root 2 is root 4 plus root 3 minus root. Now from first two terms we can take root 2 common. So we will get root 2 is common in bracket root 3 plus root 2. From last two terms, we can take 1 common out. So in bracket, we will get root 3 plus root 2 over root 2 is common from first two. We will get root 3 minus root 2 in bracket, and from last two terms, we will take 1 common. We will get root 3 minus root 2 in the bracket. Now you can see we can factor numerator once we will take root 3 plus root 2 common out. So in other bracket we will get root 2 plus 1 over root 3 minus root 2 is common out. So in other bracket we will get root 2 plus 1. So these two brackets we can cancel. So x is coming out root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. Let me write here x equal to root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root. Now we will rationalize our denominator. We have to multiply in the denominator and numerator by denominator's conjugate, which is root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus square root 2. Now in denominator we are getting one algebraic form a minus b times a plus b. So here we can write root 3 square minus root 2 square. This will give us 3 minus 2, only the denominator part. So denominator will be 1. Let's put this 1 value here. We will get x equal to root 3 plus root 2 times square root 3 plus square root 2 will give us square root 3 plus square root 2 whole square, and denominator is 1. Now if you will see the value of x is positive. So square root x will be always positive. Now I will consider square root both sides here. So I will write square root x, square root in RHS. Now square root and square will be over. So we can write square root x value. This will be equal to square root 3 plus square root 2. Now let's calculate 1 over square root x also. So I will write square root x is square root 3 plus square root 2. So I will multiply first root 3 plus square root 2 with its conjugate, root 3 minus square root a plus b times a minus b. This will come out root 3 square minus root 2 square 1. Now I will calculate the value of 1 over root 3 minus root 2. So I will divide both sides by square root 3 plus square root 2. This side also 3 plus square root 2. Now this term will be over. We will get the value of square root 3 minus square root 2. This will be equal to 1 over, and this is root x. So x is square root 3 plus square root 2, and 1 over square root x is square root 3 minus square root. Now I will add both. So I will write square root x plus 1 over square root x. This will become square root 3 plus square root 2 plus square root 3 minus square root 2. So plus and minus square root 2 will be over. We will get square root x plus 1 over square root x. This will be equal to 2 times square root 3. Now, our target expression is x power 4 root x plus 1 over x power 4 square root x. Let me write the result here. Root x plus 1 over square root x equal to 2 square root 3. Or I can write square root 4 as 2 square root 3. So we can write square root 12 also in RHS. Now we can consider cubing here. Let's consider power 3 both sides. Power 3, power 3. So I will write here a plus b whole cube formula first. So as per formula, we will write a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab times a plus b. So in LHS, we will write square root x whole cube plus 1 over square root x whole cube. A cube plus b cube is done, plus 3 times square root x times 1 over square root x, and then in bracket root x plus 1 over square root x. In RHS, this will be equal to square root 12 whole cube. Root x times root x times root x root x. Similarly, 1 over square root x times 1 over square root x times 1 over square root x, we will write 1 over x root x. These two terms will be over. Here we can write square root 12 or 2 root 3. Let me write square root 12. So this will give us 3 times square root 12. RHS is square root 12 whole cube. So square root 12 times square root 12 times square root 12. 12 square root 12. Now I will take this term to the RHS, or let's subtract this term from both the sides. We will get x root x plus 1 over x root x. This will be equal to 12 root 12 minus 3 root 12. This will give us 9 root 12. Let me write here x root x plus 1 over x root x. This is equal to 9 square root 12. Now still it is not matching. Again we will consider cubing both sides. Power 3. Power 3. Now we know that a times b whole power n. This can be written as a power n times b power n for our RHS. In LHS, we will apply a plus b whole cube formula once again. So let's apply x root x whole cube plus 1 over x root x whole cube plus 3 times x root x times 1 over x root x times in the bracket x root x plus 1 over x root x, and in RHS we will write 9 cube times square root 12 whole cube. Now in LHS these two terms will be over, and here we can write 9 root 12. Now x root x whole cube, we will write x times x times x, then root x times root x times root x. So we will get x cube from here, x from here, once we will product. So x cube times x power 4, and then we have only single square root x left. So x root x whole cube will be x power 4 root x, which is required as per our expression, plus 1 over x power 4 square root x plus 3 times 9 root 12. So 27 square root 12, and right hand side 9 cube is 729, and then we will write 12 times root 12. Now let's subtract 27 root 12 from both the sides. So I will be writing x power 4 square root x plus 1 over x power 4 square root x. This will be equal to 729 times 12 square root 12 minus 27 square root 12. Let's simplify our RHS first. So 729 times 12, this value will come out 8748 square root 12 minus 27 square root 12. So if we will write this difference, then this difference will come out 8721 square root 12. Now square root 12, we can write the square root of 4 times 3. So this 4 will come out as 2. So we can write 8721 times 2 times square root 3. Now we have to multiply 8721 with 2. We will get 17,442 square root 3. This would be our final answer of the expression. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.